see, we appear to be in Pattaya, or Pattaya. Very excited for this. So there were 3 others that showed up for a tour, but they've all gone to go the easy tour. So God knows what I've got myself into. It looks like I've got my own tour guide. The KTM goes right, no gauges, no speedo. Don't know how many hours it's done. When I hopped on it, I pushed the electric start, nothing happened. It's made a noise. It's going to be kickstart. I don't want to be stalling it on too many hills. So I bought most of my own riding gear. I'm wearing their armour and their boots. So I've got my own helmet. That way I've got the GoPro set up. I'm pretty excited for this. In Bangkok for 1 week, you have Sunday off. So I'm spending my day off doing this.
Neat.
This is so much sand. So many ruts. Whoa.
Up to you.
Yeah, let's try.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Yeah, we got some good single trails now. Wow, I might get good at riding in sand by the end of this. What smelt like a rubbish dump turned out to be a rubbish dump. Whoa, look at this. Oh, check that out. trails. Look at M's only going slow. I still can't keep up with him. Today's the first time I've ridden off road for probably about 6 weeks, I think. Maybe 5. Even then it was no single trails. This real soft sand gets me. Very little confidence in it. Whoa. Oh, this soft sand's going to get me for sure. Whoa. Alright, well, we just had a short break. A little hydration. So far for me, I'm really enjoying it. I want to try and minimise the times I flame it out. It usually takes about 3 kicks to get it started too, which is over time. It's going to build up. Wasn't paying attention, almost went the wrong way. Bloody hell. Would have been funny. Oh no, which way did he go? There he is. This is more like it. I'm enjoying this. So I was talking to one of the guys who's doing a tour which we're about to meet up with. He said that he does his mountain biking on this trail. Absolutely my type of riding. First foot down then. Reminds me of Aussie Dual Sports bloody hard enduro trail. Oh no. It's alright for me, I can touch. I have to put my feet down. Being a foot taller is only an advantage if you want to put your foot down. If you want to get under something, it's way harder. Yeah. I like that. Bit of bitumen to cool down a bit. Oh yeah, now we're up. This is Extreme Enduro. So about 160 kilometers from here in Bangkok, it's been raining every day. It hasn't rained once here in the past weeks. So to be honest, I was actually expecting some mud. The dust isn't too bad. Whoa, far out. That was an unintentional slide. Jeez, my sand skills are going to get better. They need to get better. It's the country club. Photo opportunity. That's good. Yeah. Well, that was Extreme Enduro.